Okay, now today I brought you one another concept, algebraic expressions on and operation on them. It is very important question from your 10th standard also. Okay, now see, first I will explain you how to do addition of algebraic expression. If there are two sums are there, two brackets are there. Suppose if there are 9p plus 16q colon 13p plus 2q. Here you have to add both the operation, both the terms. Means what you have to do for both the algebraic expressions. 9q plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. Means you have to collect the like terms. First you have to collect the like terms. Here 9p and 13p. Here variables are same. Means these are the like term. You have to collect it 9p plus 13p. After that 16q and 2q are the same like terms, therefore you have to collect 16q plus 2q. After that what you have to do, you have to do the simple addition. 13p plus 9p means 22p plus 16 plus 2 it is 18, and q you have to write as it is. Don't write q square because here addition is there, not a multiplication. In addition, there you are only variable you have to write one times. Okay, next is what? Subtract minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 bracket, second bracket 7y square plus 8. Again you have to do the addition here. Now see here 3y square and 7y square here same, means same like terms. You have to collect that 3y square plus 7y square. If you do the opposite sign are there, minus 3 plus 7, opposite sign means there is a subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4y square. 10y you have to write as it is there because there is no like term for 10y. Means 10y you have to write as it is. Minus 16 plus 8 you have to collect. There again here opposite signs are there, mean there is a subtraction, and your answer will be 4y square plus 10y minus 8. Okay, it is clear to you now. Now see, next is subtract the algebraic expression. Subtract the second expression from the first. You have to subtract second expression from the first. Listen the question carefully, understand the question carefully, because understanding of the question is most important. There are two algebraic expressions they given to you. You have to subtract this second expression and this is the first expression. You have to subtract this second expression from this first expression. Okay, for that what you have to do, just see here. First term you have to write as it is. First algebraic expression write as it is. Write minus sign between these two algebraic expression. If you write minus sign outside the bracket, means there will be changing of sign the terms which are inside the bracket. Now see, 5x plus 4y plus 7z as it is. You write minus sign out of the bracket, means all the sign will be changed. Inside sign will be changed. X is positive. X is positive, it becomes minus. Plus 2y plus is there, again it will be minus. 3z again it is plus, again it will be minus. That's why if you remember these things, if there is a minus sign outside the bracket, and if you opening the bracket, means all the terms, all sign of the all the terms will be changed. Collect the like terms. Say 5x minus x means answer will be 4x. 4y minus 2y means answer will be 2y. 7z minus 3z means 7 3 is opposite sign, therefore there will be a subtraction, and 4, and z you have to write as it is. There will be no z square because here there is no multiplication, only addition and subtraction is there. Here you have to remember one thing, you have to give the sign of the bigger number. You have to give sign of the bigger number. Okay, now next question. Next question is what? Next question, see, 4x plus 16z bracket, first algebraic expression. Second 19y minus 14z plus 16x. Again you have to write the minus sign here. Minus sign is very important because it already instruct you that you have to subtract second expression from the first expression. You will be write as it is 4x plus 16z. Now minus sign you wrote outside the bracket means sign inside terms sign will be changed. Therefore minus 19y minus 14z means it will becomes plus 14z. Here 4 plus 16x means here will be minus 16x. Okay. Now collect the like term. Our next step is what? Collect the like term. 4x minus 16z. 4 minus 16 means there will be subtraction 12. And sign of the bigger number means sign 16 is bigger means sign will be minus. Okay, now see minus 19y plus 14z means again here minus 19 plus 16. Sign you have to write in minus 19y. There is no like term for y means minus 19y will be as it is. Now plus 16z plus 14z both are plus means there is addition and answer will be 30z. Okay, it is clear to you. It is very important sums. Now last question is multiplication. Multiplication is also very important. Just see 16xy multiplied by 18xy. 18 into 16 you have to do simple multiplication, that will be 288. X into x it will be x square because here index is 1 and here index is 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. On y index is 1 and here y index is 1 means here also 1 plus 1 will be 2. That's why the answer will be 288 x square y square. Okay, in addition and subtraction there is no addition of index. In multiplication there is a addition. Now see 12a plus 17b multiplied by 4c means 4c into 12a plus 4c into 17b. You have to do distribute the terms. 12 4s are 48 ca. ca you can write or you can write ac also. 7 into 17 into 4 it will be 68. And in terms variable bc you can write or you can write cb also, and both the ways you can write, there will be no problem. Okay, you understood the concept. You have to simply concentrate on sign. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button.